Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well out there. Today I'm going to be attempting to get this gold D9 picked on camera. It's a 9-pin dimple lock with really good tolerances and some tricky pins in there. If you haven't seen all the other people posting their videos recently, it's a fun lock, and if you can get your hands on one, I would recommend it. This particular one only has one no lift pin in it and one max lift pin on the top. They don't even put an indentation because it's max lift. Go figure. Works beautifully. I'm going to be attempting to pick it with a custom dimple flag, Peterson number 4 hook, and a custom tensioner. If you don't have a custom tensioner and you're not happy with the tensioner you are using for your goal lock that you're working on, 3/32 Allen wrench works awesome in there too. I just wanted a little extra height, so I made that. But anyways, going to be attempting to get this on camera to work towards my brown belt, so we'll see what happens. Let me get it pinned up in the vise, and we'll be right back. All right, got her all pinned up in the vise. Let's see what happens. See how camera shy she's going to be for me. Go ahead and make sure the key still works. No funny business. Looks good. Going to be going counterclockwise. Start on the right hand side. Pin 2, got a couple clicks out of him. I think go a little more for him though. I'll leave it alone for now. Pin 3. Pin 1 feels good. Pin 2. There we go. Got another little click out of him. Pin 3, another click out of him. I think left side's done. Go to pin right or left side, sorry. Left side pin 2's down. Pin 1. Pin 2 just got a little bit more action out of him. Just gave him a little nudge. Core rotation. Switch back to the right side. Pin 3. Another click out of him. Pin 2, slight click. Hopefully I didn't overset him. Let's see. Let me go up to the top here. 3 feels springy. 2, a little click out of him. 1 little click out of him. 2, some counter rotation and click. 3 still. Leave him alone for now. Try the right side again. Yeah. Last pin 3. Another click out of him. Left side. Yeah. Pin 2 on left side. Got some good core rotation again. Pin 1 on the right side came back out. That's why I love these locks. Yeah. It's a fun little challenge. And let's see what else is going on here. Attacking the top now. Pin 1. Some clicks and some more core rotation. Bump 2 got a nice rotation. I think 3 fell back down. I need to get him. Hopefully get him, and that be it. Come on. Should be using the hook for this, but I'm being lazy. Come on. There we go. Like I thought, pin 3. Don't rotate that too much, otherwise the driver pins on the right side will go into the chamber. Thankfully, they don't go all the way. You can still push them back and you'll be good to go. But anyways, now that we got it open, let's get it gutted. Let me zoom back out a little bit. And see what's in this bad boy. That auto or that focus lock. All right, that's that. Switch this over. Oh, man, knocking you guys around. Sorry about that. And we will start from left to right. Actually, I'm going to lock this back up though and take off this C-clip first. I was hoping I could get it off with my nails, but no luck. So there we go. All right, now back to the pins. Starting left side. And let me bring this down a little bit. And tilt down. All right, front pin. Oh, those little springs love to jump everywhere. Just need to calm down. All right. All right, one chamber down, two to go. Sorry, I'm not talking too much during this part. I do not want to screw this up. Whoa, man. They jump, they jump. Oh, all right. Chamber 1. Chamber 2. And chamber 3. All right. Now I just need to take the core out. But one thing, just so you guys know, is that little hole right there, there's a bearing and a spring. So if you were to just slide this thing out, that thing is going to take off and never be found again. So just be warned about that. I like to cover those with my fingers and then push out when opening it. Yep, just like that. All right, there's the core. And do one side at a time. There's bearing and spring, and then the bottom side, bearing and spring. Another little tip with these Gold D9s is the first time you're taking them apart, they are a pain. Let me put this back in here. This little tailpiece right here has a pin holding it in there, and that little lip right there, blocks you from being able to remove the cork completely. You have to push down really hard with with whatever you have, a screwdriver or what, just to be able to squeeze it through there. And so after the first time of being a real pain in the butt, I just took a needle file and just did a couple light passes right over that. It doesn't take much. Just a couple light passes is all it took, and now it comes apart so much easier. So yeah, just a little tip for you guys. Might be worth doing on yours if you plan on gutting it numerous times in the future. Maybe you're progressive pinning it. That'll definitely be a tip that'll save you. So, anyways, there is the beautiful pins out of the D9, and a lot of the gold locks have these same similar tapered pins and drivers. So yeah, that's left and top chamber, and here is the right chamber. Very awesome, fun lock. Super glad I got it on camera. For all of you that stuck around, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.